Right, Sean, what have we got today, mate?
All right, we've got a German classic, a Mercedes 350 SL.
350 SL.
Yeah.
Now that is a definite classic, isn't it? What kind of power are we talking about?
Oh, horsepower, it's got to be over 200, I guess. It's a V8. This V8 sat in many of the Mercedes, the 500 sec.
Wow.
Probably lots more as well. It's a classic V8, super smooth.
I mean, this is like Dallas classic, isn't it?
It's a Bobby Ewing style. And this one's been styled by the guy. His name was Don
Eustace.
So he's designed it with like his own personal touches. It's lowered.
I mean, you can see little bits and pieces of steering wheel to it, for example. Yeah. I mean, that's not your classic Mercedes of this era steering wheel, is it?
No, this is a steering wheel from, I guess it was off an old Maserati or Ferrari. It's really expensive just to buy this one.
It's nice.
Probably looking at like a couple of €1,000 just the wheel.
I mean, could you expect all this walnut in this car though, back in the day? Because the Germans are not really known for that back then.
Yeah, there was walnut in them, but I mean, this one's been totally rebuilt with leather, brown on brown and brown. If you like brown, you're going to love this car.
It looks like it's going out to church on a Sunday.
I mean, these cars are really more like a GT, a cruising car. They were sporty at the time, but I mean, now compared to modern traffic, it's a nice car to sit and drive in.
I mean,
you got the roof you can drop down.
It's a classic car, right? It's been lowered, yeah?
Yeah, this one's been styled a bit too low, but nah.
But it's still got that comfort though, hasn't it? I mean, you can still cruise around in this.
It doesn't affect the drive at all. It's, it's smooth.
It's really smooth. That V8, I mean, but you know, when this car came out though, it wasn't cheap, was it?
No, this car wasn't cheap. This is one of the most exclusive cars you could buy in the 90s. This was released in 1972, and I think they started a series between 1971 to 1989. I think they produced them.
So it nearly ran for like 20 years then. Yeah?
I think this was the most successful selling model of the series, except for the G-Class.
Wow. I mean, you can begin to see why. Because I mean, when this came out, it was nearly double the price of E-Type. That's insane.
Yeah. But I mean, compared to an E-Type, this is super modern. You got automatic gearbox, 3-speed on this,
and it works.
Yeah, you got good power, comfort, good electrics.
I mean,
it was a totally different classic car.
I mean, Mercedes were always out there, weren't they? They were like a benchmark to new technology and stuff, and you can see all in this car here. I mean, this car, what did you say the year was of this car?
1972.
72, yeah. There's so many things in this car that makes it okay.
I mean, it's a car you can drive in modern day traffic, no problem at all. It's comfortable, it's powerful, reliable. The V8 engines on these are very reliable.
Absolutely gorgeous.
Convertible. Also, I think it also comes with a hard top as well.
That's right. Yeah, I've seen the hard tops from as well that you can put on. I mean, this roof is a little bit fidgety actually getting it on and off.
Yeah.
You need a key or something.
You need the keys and open it, and it drops back.
Yeah.
And it folds into like a lid there, so it's like clean on the top. So it's no roof hanging out at the back. But
we're talking about the 70s here, so you know, back then, it's probably revolutionising quite a few bits and pieces.
Yeah, exactly.
But I mean, what's the story behind this one, though? Why have you got this?
This car's going to come up for auction in 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Yeah.
And the date to date is the 11th of November.
Yeah, so it's going to come out on the auction around the 29th, the end of November.
Okay, great.
So it's if you're looking for this is a quite well kept car. Runs great. Everything works. It's brown if you like brown, and it's 80s gold, which if you like gold, it's gold. I mean, these are the 70s colours. Everything was a little bit in your face.
I wasn't seeing any rust or anything like that, obvious rust or anything like that. So it's in really good condition as well.
Yeah, if you look hard, you can find something. But I mean, considering this is from the 70s and considering it was a Mercedes, it's not as rusty as other cars you can find.
Right.
So it's a good condition overall, absolutely. And it drives fine. We'll give it a bit of a kick down.
So, if anybody's interested in this car, where are we going to find it?
We'll put it on Beerweb Auctions. It'll be up we can put a link on, but I don't think we can link it because it's not listed just yet, but it'll be listed in a week.
Right, so just keep the link to Bill Webb is in the description of this video, so just keep an eye on that over the next few weeks, and you might be in with a chance of bidding.
It's a nice summer car for somebody who's looking for something golden brown.
It's an absolute icon.
Golden
as well,
brown.
Tedge July
song.
Oh, there you go.
All right then, mate. There we go.
All right, tremendous. All right, so thanks everybody for watching the video as usual. Check the description, Bill Webb auctions for this car in the next 2 weeks, and we'll see you all again next week with more Cars of Sweden live.